English is advanced? Well, if you don't laugh at these jokes, you might still be stuck in the translation trap.
Stay with us until the end to take the real fluency test and find out your true level.
Hey, Liam. Yesterday, my friend said, if you laugh, your English is advanced. Is that really true?
That's actually very true, because understanding humor means your brain is processing English naturally and quickly, not translating word by word.
Wow, so laughing is like a sign of real fluency, right?
Exactly, because when you laugh, it means you understood the meaning, the tone, and the situation instantly.
Interesting. But be honest, have you ever pretended to understand a joke in English?
Many times. Almost every learner has done that at some point.
I knew it, because sometimes I just smile like I get it, but inside I'm totally lost.
That's very common. And today, you're going to test yourself for real.
Really? So this is like a real test of my English level?
Yes, because if you laugh naturally, your English is working at an advanced level.
And what happens if I don't laugh?
Then you'll clearly see what is blocking your understanding.
That sounds a bit scary, not gonna lie.
Don't worry, it's actually exciting because you'll learn how your brain reacts.
Okay, but what if I understand everything and still don't find it funny?
That's one of the most important signals, because humor is not just words, it's a reaction.
Wow, that's interesting actually.
You see, this test is not about vocabulary, it's about speed and connection.
So what are the rules of this test?
The rules are simple. No explanations before, no translating, and you only have 1 second to react.
Only 1 second? Seriously?
Yes, because real conversations don't wait for you.
Wow, okay, that's intense. I'm ready, I think.
Good, let's start.
What's the first joke?
My boss said, "Quick call." It lasted 2 hours.
Wait, that's actually funny.
And if you laughed quickly, that's a great sign.
Why does that feel so real, though?
Because it is based on real-life experience, especially in work culture today.
So humor is connected to real situations.
Sure, the more you relate, the faster you understand.
Interesting. So what is the next one?
I opened 1 tab to study, now I have 27, and no idea why.
Okay, that is me every day.
You see? That is digital life humor, very common right now.
Why was that so easy to understand?
Because it matches your daily experience, so your brain reacts immediately.
So experience helps understanding jokes.
Exactly. Experience creates instant meaning.
Okay, give me the next one.
I said, just 1 episode. Netflix said, that is cute.
Wow, I did not expect that ending.
That is the twist, and humor depends on that surprise.
Why is the phrase, "that is cute," funny here?
Because it is ironic. It shows that the person has no control.
So irony is important for humor.
Very important, especially in modern English.
Interesting. I am starting to feel more confident.
Good. Let's continue.
What is the next joke?
I love deadlines, especially the sound they make when they pass.
Wait. Oh, I get it now.
You see? That delay you had is very important.
Really? Why does that matter?
Because advanced understanding happens instantly, not after thinking.
So if I needed time, that means something?
Yes, it means your brain is still analyzing instead of reacting.
Wow, that makes sense now.
Exactly. And that's what we are testing.
Okay, next one. I'm curious.
Me, I will sleep early tonight. Also me, at 2 a.m., watching random videos.
That is so true.
That is social humor based on behavior,
Why do these jokes feel easier?
because they do not depend on complex language, but on shared habits.
Interesting. So, not all jokes are about vocabulary.
Exactly. Most jokes are about recognition.
Okay, give me the last one.
I am not lazy. I'm on energy-saving mode.
That was fast. I liked that one.
Good. And notice how quickly you reacted.
So, speed is the key here, right?
Exactly. Humor happens in real time.
Wow. So, what does this test actually show?
It shows how fast your brain processes meaning.
So, it is not about knowing words?
No, it is about reacting without translating.
Interesting. So, what is the truth behind all this?
The truth is that humor does not wait for translation.
So, if I translate, I lose the joke?
Yeah, because the timing disappears.
So, what happens if I understand after a few seconds?
That usually means you're at an intermediate level.
And if I needed even more time?
Then your brain is still dependent on translation.
And if I did not find it funny at all?
That means there is no real connection yet.
Wow, that is very clear.
Exactly. Advanced English means automatic reaction.
So, the problem is not my English level?
Not exactly. The problem is how you use your English.
What do you mean by that?
Many learners are too slow, too analytical, and not natural.
That sounds like me.
And that's completely normal.
So, I learned English the wrong way?
You learned it for tests, not for real-life communication.
So, what kind of content should I use to train my reactions to jokes?
You should use short, fast content like reels, short videos, memes, and quick conversations.
Why short content specifically?
Because short content forces your brain to react quickly instead of overthinking.
Wow, that's interesting, actually.
You see, speed training is essential for real fluency.
So, should I just watch and hope I understand?
Not exactly. You should actively pause and respond out loud.
Respond out loud? Really?
Yes, because speaking activates your brain faster than just listening.
So, what should I say when I react?
You should use simple and natural phrases that people actually use.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure. Phrases like, wait, what? Oh, I get it now. And, nah, that's funny, are perfect.
Wow, those sound so simple.
Exactly. Real English is simple and natural, not complicated.
And tell me, how can I respond naturally in everyday situations?
You can use short reactions like, no way, that's crazy, or I knew it.
And what about work situations?
In work situations, you can say things like, that makes sense, got it, or good point.
Wow, those are so useful.
Exactly. They keep the conversation flowing.
So, let me ask you something important. What is the biggest mindset shift I need to make?
The biggest shift is to stop trying to understand everything and start focusing on reaction.
Wow, that sounds simple but powerful.
Exactly. And it changes everything.
So, instead of asking, what does this mean? I should think differently.
Yes, you should think, how do I react to this?
That's interesting, because it feels more natural.
Exactly. That's how native speakers think.
So, humor becomes easier when I react instead of analyze.
Yes, because humor is about feeling, not translating.
So, let me ask another question. How do I know if my English is really improving?
You'll notice that you react faster, understand quicker, and feel more comfortable in conversations.
So it's more about feeling than measuring, right?
Exactly. Fluency is something you feel.
Wow, that makes sense now.
Sure.
So tell me honestly, did I pass the test today?
If you laughed naturally and reacted quickly, you're already on the right path.
I like that answer.
You see? Progress is already happening.
So let me ask the final question. Did I laugh or did I think too much?
That answer defines your current level. But, more importantly, it shows what you need to improve.
Wow, that's powerful.
Exactly. And now you know what to do next.
So what should I do next?
Keep practicing daily and train your brain to react without translating.
That sounds like a challenge, but also exciting.
Exactly. And that's how real fluency is built.
So I guess I'll see you in the next lesson, right?
Yes. And in the next video, you'll learn how to improve your accent in a practical way. Don't miss it. See you there.
That's perfect. Bye.